Today, let's understand how to back up your blog with tools available within the Bluehost platform. A tool we highly recommend using to back up your website is CodeGuard. CodeGuard is an automatic backup service that takes backups of your website at regular intervals. The backups are stored on a third-party cloud service and give you the ability to restore your website in one click. Now let's see how to set up CodeGuard on your website. There are two ways to do this. In the first one, log in to your Bluehost panel and go to the My Site section. Select the website to which you'd like to add CodeGuard. 2. Click on the Manage Site button. Select the Backup tab and click on Add Site to CodeGuard. This will start the setup process. Once the process is over, you can check if your website has been added to your CodeGuard dashboard. This method of adding CodeGuard to your website is the easiest and fastest and is preferable for small WordPress blogs. However, if you have a larger website and have FTP or SFTP access to your website, this option will offer you additional features and reduced storage space usage. For more content on how to build and grow your WordPress website, please subscribe to our channel.